Living in Maricopa offers the perfect balance of desert serenity and modern comfort, but the Arizona climate can be unforgiving. With sweltering summers, occasional dust storms, and significant temperature swings between day and night, your home's windows play a major role in maintaining energy efficiency, comfort, and style. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or no longer performing well, window replacement could be one of the smartest upgrades you make. Modern windows designed for Maricopa's environment offer a perfect combination of energy savings, aesthetic appeal, and long-term durability, all tailored to local conditions. The importance of energy efficiency in Maricopa's desert climate is defined by intense sunlight and heat for most of the year. Old or inefficient windows can allow the desert warmth to infiltrate your home, forcing your air conditioner to work overtime and driving up energy bills. Modern replacement windows are engineered with energy-efficient glass and insulated frames that make a huge difference. Look for features like low emissivity coatings. These reflective coatings bounce heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to pass through. Double or triple panes. Multiple glass layers create a barrier that limits heat transfer and insulates your home year-round. Argon gas fills. This invisible gas between panes improves insulation and further reduces thermal exchange. These technologies are designed to keep your home cool during Maricopa's scorching summers and warm during cooler desert nights, saving energy without sacrificing comfort. Frame materials that withstand desert conditions. Not all window materials are created equal, especially when it comes to Maricopa's unique climate. Choosing the right frame type ensures longevity, minimal maintenance, and consistent performance. Vinyl frames are a popular, budget-friendly choice for Maricopa homeowners. They resist heat, humidity, and corrosion, and they require virtually no upkeep. Fiberglass frames provide exceptional strength and durability. They expand and contract very little with temperature changes, maintaining a tight seal and long-lasting insulation. Aluminum-clad windows combine the visual warmth of wood interiors with weather-resistant exteriors, perfect for homeowners who want a balance of style and strength. Each option offers specific benefits depending on your budget, aesthetic preferences, and energy goals, making it easy to find a material that fits your home and lifestyle. Enhancing comfort and reducing noise. Replacing your windows isn't just about saving energy, it's also about creating a more comfortable, quieter living environment. Energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and eliminate hot spots near glass surfaces. Many modern designs also include sound dampening features that block outside noise, creating a more peaceful space, ideal if you live near main roads or bustling neighborhoods in Maricopa. Style that complements every home. Today's replacement windows are as beautiful as they are practical. Homeowners can choose from an array of styles, shapes, and finishes to match or update their home's look. Casement and picture windows provide unobstructed views of Maricopa's desert landscape. Double-hung windows offer ventilation flexibility and a timeless appearance. Sliding windows are perfect for contemporary homes seeking a sleek, modern look. Frame colors such as bronze, black, and sandstone have become increasingly popular, blending seamlessly with the area's desert-inspired palette. Whether you own a stucco home or a modern ranch, the right window design enhances both curb appeal and interior charm. Why professional installation matters. Even the best windows can underperform if installed incorrectly. A professional installation ensures a proper seal, preventing air leaks, dust intrusion, and energy loss, all common issues in the desert environment. Local Maricopa installers understand how to fit and seal windows for maximum protection against heat and dust while complying with regional building standards. Investing in professional installation guarantees your new windows perform exactly as intended for years to come. Final thoughts. When it comes to window replacement in Maricopa, the goal is simple: comfort, style, and efficiency, tailored to desert living. By choosing energy-efficient glass, durable frame materials, and professional installation, you'll enjoy a home that stays cooler, quieter, and more beautiful all year long. Upgrading your windows isn't just about improving your home's appearance. It's about creating a smarter, more sustainable living space designed for Maricopa's unique climate. With the right solutions, you can enjoy greater comfort today and long-term savings for years to come.